In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use PlayStation 5 controller on Forza Horizon 5 PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you two main ways in which you will be able to set up a DualSense controller to play Forza. So for the first one, if you own the game through Steam, this is usually gonna be much easier. So open Steam, go over to your library and find Forza Horizon 5. You will notice that I am doing this example with GTA 5 instead. I apologize, I don't own Forza on Steam, but I still wanted to highlight this method. All that you have to do is right-click Forza, go over to Properties, and then select the controller properties, where you will be able to enable Steam Input. Steam Input is a feature that automatically detects and sets up any controllers that you connect to your PC, including the DualSense controller, so it is by far the easiest way that you have. However, if you don't own it through Steam, let's say for example you play through Xbox Game Pass, this is going to be a little bit more different and I'm gonna show you the alternative method. I just wanted to get this one out of the way. You can click the controller configurator and change the layout from here. And as long as your PlayStation 5 controller is being detected and working, you will be good to go. Once again, I am using an Xbox controller for this demonstration, but still, your PlayStation 5 controller is going to work. Now, with this out of the way, let's say you own the game through the Xbox Game Pass instead. What you will have to do now is download this tool, DS4 Windows. You can find it on ds4-windows.com, and once you arrive at this page, just click the option to download and then download once more. You will be able to extract this somewhere and open the DS4 Windows executable file. Once again, this serves the same purpose essentially as Steam Input. It's basically going to scan your computer, detect the DualSense controller, and set it up for you. Click Start over here, and if you have a controller connected and you installed the necessary drivers, it is going to appear. You can go over to Profiles and set up a new profile for your DualSense controller. After this is done, you just have to keep this application open on the background and you will be able to play using your DualSense. After this is done, you might also have to go into the settings and take this option here, hide DS4 controller, but regardless, as soon as everything is running on the background, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use PlayStation 5 controller on Forza Horizon 5 PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.